Today we are going to cook black cod, braised black cod, 은대구 조림. And here are the ingredients. First, you will need some black cod. This is a wonderful fish. It is wild in the Pacific Ocean and is very expensive in Asia, but here in California we are lucky to have it, and it is $3.99 a pound at Xi'an Market. It's a very good fish and tastes delicious. Next, we have our sauce here. It has soy sauce, mirin, some sake, sugar, gochujang, gochugaru, sesame oil, and that's about it. I have some herbs. This is optional. There's minari and crown daisy. I have some ginger, garlic, jalapeno, onion, some green onion. This is my first time I'm gonna add this in, soybean sprouts, and I have some Korean daikon. And this is anchovy kelp broth. You just boil it together for like 20 minutes. I have 2 cups of that. So let's get started. I'm going to push my saute button, and that's gonna heat this up. And I'm going to just add in my radish right now. Okay. This makes it very sweet and just delicious. I guess I should put it, to save space, you should put it in circles. I cut it in half because to make it cook faster. And you can just put as much as you can in there. I like a lot because it tastes very good. Like so. Maybe just one more. And to this, you are going to add your sauce. Just gonna stir the sauce up. Make sure all the gochujang is dissolved. And we're going to just pour that in. Okay. Just kind of make sure everything is buried in there. And we're actually going to just pressure cook this right away. Let's put this on. Make sure this is on sealing. And I'm going to push pressure level, cancel, pressure level. Should we, what is this? Pressure cook, pressure cook, pressure level high. I'm gonna lower this to just 5 minutes. Maybe just even 4. Okay? And it's gonna start right now. Okay. Okay, so we'll see you in a bit. The pin is up. Let's just see what it looks like now. Okay, as you can see, it's boiling, boiling, boiling. I'm just gonna quickly add my water in here, my anchovy broth water. And let's just check up on this. Yeah, this is not even ready. Let's just stir this up a little bit in here. And actually, this is a good chance to put in all of these seasonings. So let's go ahead and put that in. garlic. Okay, just give that a stir again. And actually my daughter doesn't like it too spicy, so I'm gonna take out some of the jalapenos. It's just too spicy for her. Okay, so you give that a good stir. And let's put the lid back on. Oopsies. Make sure this is on sealing. Let's put it back on the pressure cooker and let's just do 2 minutes. Okay? See you in a bit. Okay, so my Instapot just beeped. So I'm going to go ahead and release the pressure. And you can put a towel over it if you want to not get everything messy. And it's looking very good. The daikon is very nice and soft. So now it is ready for me to put the fish in. And I'm actually going to take out the jalapenos because it's just going to be too spicy for my daughter. And this was just like 2 minutes, guys, and look at how soft everything instantly becomes. It's amazing. Actually, I think I cooked the radish too much because now when I put the fish in, I'm gonna pressure cook it again, and now they're just gonna be too soft. So now let's go ahead and put our fish in. Okay, so now, and let's go ahead and top it with, try to put the liquid over it. Okay, just kind of just try to bury it in there. Let's go ahead and just put all our herbs on top, like so. And put it on sealing. Pressure cook. Cancel. Pressure cook 2 minutes again, and then we're gonna flip it over, okay? See you in a minute. Okay, let's open this now. Wow, look at that. It's boiling, boiling, boiling. I don't think I even have to flip it over. I think it's ready actually. Yeah, this is ready. So I'm just gonna just move this over to the side here. Gonna dump my green onions in there. And what's wrong?
Oh, sorry, she just did another.
Oh, okay. No, wait. You better not. Okay,